Better, stronger, and tighter daw ngayon bilang mag-asawa sina Heart Evangelista at Senator Cheese Escudero. Ang pagbabahagi ni Heart sa kanilang pinagdaanan kamakailan sa report ni Katati Bayan.
I feel like I'm in a calmer place. I feel like everything is clean. I feel like everything has been wiped clean. Everything is fresh.
Ibinahagi ni Heart Evangelista sa kanyang vlog ang mga pinagdaanan nila recently ni Senator Cheese Escudero. Better, stronger, and tighter daw sila ngayon as a couple.
I think I got married to like a King Solomon, full of wisdom. I don't think I would ever meet anybody like Cheese.
At ang kanyang #1 prayer,
Take everything away, just don't take my family away. Give them good health, protect them. I love the bangles, I love the jacket, but you can take it all away. Just don't harm my family.
speaking of family, ikinagulat daw ni Casey Concepcion ang reunion concert ng kanyang mga magulang na sina Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion na magaganap sa Oktubre.
It's something I've always hoped. Hindi yung concert ha, yung makita lang silang dalawa na masaya.
Pagdating naman sa kanyang love life, ipapakilala na ba ni Casey sa publiko ang kanyang non-showbiz Phil Swiss boyfriend? Sumalang naman sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda ang action star na si Jerry Craval. Sinabi niya nagkausap sila ng boyfriend ng anak niyang si AJ na si Alger Abrenica.
Una, yung anak ko, bata pa yan. Pangalawa, yung biyenan mo, kaibigan ko. So, yeah,
Biyenan, ibig sabihin si?
Yeah.
Si Binoy?
Yeah, sabi
Okay.
ko, ayos mo muna yung sarili mo, iyo. Pangatlo, sabi ko sa kanya, ang anak ko gusto ko, pakasalan mo.
Katati Bayan nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.